Hello Shepherd Primary School, welcome to Singing Assembly. Today I'm in the Mr. V's Home Learning Studio, which is where I've been making some videos for Year 4 to put on YouTube and for anyone else who'd like to watch them as well. Today we're going to do our singing assembly here, and if you watched some of the previous singing assemblies you'll notice this is a different guitar. It's called an electric guitar, and that's because it needs electricity to make a sound. I have to plug it into this, which is called an amplifier, which needs the electricity from the mains supply. Well, today I'm going to start off with a song from Frozen. The snow. 1, 2, 3, 4. The snow was white on the mountains, not a footprint to be seen. Kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm free. The wind is howling like the swirling storm inside. Should have put it in, let those eyes. Don't let them in. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the thinker you always had to be. See you don't feel, so let them know. Now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away, slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small, and the fears the ones control me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and make through right or wrong. I'm free. Let it go, let it go. I'm one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I stand, here I stay. Let the storm rage on. The power flows through the air into the ground. So there's spiraling in frozen fractals all around. One thought crystallizing like an icy flare. I'm never going back, the past is in the past. Let go, let it go. I'll rise like the break of dawn. Let it go, let it go. That perfect girl is gone. And here I stand in the light of day. Let the storm rage on. Oh, never bother me anyway. Wow, I hope you enjoyed that. A bit different to normal, how you might have sung it before. What I've got down here, it's called an effect pedal. It means I can stomp on it and it'll make a different sound. Have a listen to some sounds. Or maybe or something a bit different, maybe like quite relaxing. But we're just going to use this one for the next song. This is one we've done before on Singing Assembly. You've got a friend in me. friend. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead, and miles from a nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said. Yeah, you got a friend in me. Boy, you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got your troubles, I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, we can make it through. 'Cause you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too, maybe. But none of them will ever love you the way I do. It's me and you, boy. And as the years go by, friendship will never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny. Yeah, you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. Lovely. Well, let's not waste time. Let's get straight on to our third song out of 4, which is from the Jungle Book. But it's not the Bare Necessities, because I think you've heard enough from me about that lately, especially if you watched the video I made a few months ago, The Bare Necessities. Find that on Mr. V's Home Learning channel as well. I'm very pleased with it. And hopefully you're going to enjoy singing along to I Wanna Be Like You. That's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man, stroll right into town and be just like the other men. I'm tired of looking around. Oh, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You'll see it's true. That ain't like me. Can't learn to be human. I'll make a deal with you. What I desire is man's red fire to make my dream come true. Now give me the secret, man. Come clue me what to do. Give me the power of man's red fire to make my dream come true. Oh, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You'll see it's true. That ain't like me. Can't learn to be a human. Can't learn to be someone like you all the time. Can't learn to be like someone like you. Woohoo! That was a bit of fun. A little guitar solo on the end there. Guitar solo is just where the guitar person goes off on their own, solo for a little bit. One of my favourite parts. The last song that we're going to try is called Ghostbusters. So I'm going to switch back to the effect nice and loud. And I'll put some more drums on. You can use my effects pedal to put drums on as well. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Something strange in your neighborhood. Who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters! But it's something weird that don't feel good. Who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters! I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Running through your head. Who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters! An invisible man sleeping in your bed. Who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters! I ain't afraid of no ghosts. If you all alone, pick up the throne and call Ghostbusters. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Well, I think we just about did the job on that last song. Hopefully you've enjoyed singing assembly today, and it's been really nice to have you along. If you've got any requests, send them in. I did have a request, but from Mrs. Hunt, who helps down in reception. I'm sorry, Mrs. Hunt. I didn't think anyone else would know it, but I'm a big fan of the song. But do send any requests in that you have, and I'd love to try and play some for next time. Otherwise, hope you are enjoying your home learning or your time in school if you're back already. And it's goodbye for now.